Hey guys, I have this Craftsman 2-in-1 plus trimmer 32cc motor. It's doing something really strange. I cannot get the motor to idle down. I'd replaced the carburetor because of some issues I was having, and everything seems to be pretty free. There's nothing really stopping, but the choke, whenever I start it, the choke stays wide open, and as long as I've got the throttle being triggered, it stays on, but as soon as I take it off, it chokes out. So I'm going to show you that here in just a second, and hopefully somebody can give me some insight as to what's going on. And it does that over and over again. And the choke's not going off, so I don't know exactly what's going on. Hopefully somebody out there can help me.